All right, welcome back. Welcome back. I just want to share this with us. Just give me your time and please make sure you like this video. I don't know if you have noticed that we are struggling to get a video, to you because the suppression and attack is second to none these days. And the only way you can help us is to make sure that you like the video. Constantly like the video. I'm not saying you should like it multiple times, but each time you see our upload, each time you see our video or you come here willingly, do us a favor by making sure you like the video. Many of us can testify that you hardly receive notification now. One of our brother just called my attention on that yesterday. That the owner of the platform somehow limiting the notification, trying not to notify their friends, those of people that are following us when we upload or when we are live. So you have to do your best to support us if you wish. It's not, I'm not mandating you or forcing you. I'm just begging you to do that. For some of you that like what you are doing, of course, we have a lot of people who don't like what we do, which is normal. When I started, I made it clear that I'm not afraid of people who don't like or who may have different opinion from what we do, what we have. Some of you that maybe you choose not to like it, you don't like the truth. I understand. Everybody must not follow. Even Jesus Christ had some people who don't believe in him. But what matters is that those that follow you or like you to outnumber those that hate you. That is what it is. So without wasting much of time, let's go to the program. Please, like I said, like this video, click on like button without wasting much time and share it to many platform of your choice. What we do here is to expose lie for you to make a better decision. We are not here, to expose anybody because of hate or because we want you to buy, kill the person or do anything criminality or evil against anybody. But for you to open your eyes, not to be deceived or being, tied in one place, believing that you are doing the right thing when you are doing the wrong thing. So, how will you know? By making sure you connect the dot properly. Those criminal-minded people, they don't want you to connect anything. All they want is for you to sleep and wake up and hear what they say. Sleep and wake up and hear what they say. They don't want you to think for yourself or follow what is going on, diligently. Now, we are going to go through this post made by lover of Fallback Republic. As you can see here, he said, Biafran, can you see the evil? I'm reading this. The evil that Dr. Ngozo Rabeze and her cohort Ikenga Urago is doing. This is lie number one. COS and Ikenga are not even in communication any whatsoever. How do I know? You will say that because you know through their own way. You don't even need to go far. Let's continue. They are trying to replace our men on ground, the Biafran Defense Forces, BDF, with these criminals you see here jumping up and down. Talking about criminal, he's calling Biafran Liberation Army or Biafran Defense Force under United States of Biafra a criminal and terrorist. You are going to hear that because many of them, that's what they're trending on. They always want to attack people for no just reason. Now, if you have different opinion from what other people have, that is not the that does not mean you should call the person name that you know that everybody, international community and anybody would like to you know distance themselves from such people, but they know they're lying. He said again, did you guys remember a few days ago, Thursday to be precise, when we all saw a video of some criminals shouting, sit at home and burning Biafran business properties, tipper, okay? Hashtag tipper. That's the tipper de Baja Moena. So for a sit at home on Thursday, Negenti, these are those criminals that Nkoso Rabese and the Ken Guruago have recruited. Another lie from Peter Hell. Don't worry, you will see that. You will see why. Biafran, let me ask you guys a question. If Dr. Ngozi Rabeze is truly working for the good and betterment of Biafra restoration, why will she be recruiting criminal gang, when we have when we have Biafra Liberation Army (BLA) and Biafran Defense Forces (BDF) guiding Biafran land? Now listen. Why is your DPM COS Dr. Nkaso Rebeze fighting against the Biafran Defense Forces BDF if she is genuinely fighting for Biafran liberation out of Nigeria? This is from somebody who called himself or herself Mbano Vlogs 101 on Facebook. Okay. Now, here is a picture. This is Biafran news. This is, what USB government share, USB government handles and platform. People that are, fan or media team or anything, they are the one that made these screenshots. For example, this. Let's go through it so you can see that for yourself. And I don't know why it's dark. To be honest, it's not supposed to be like this. But let's continue. Now here is the write-up from different government followers or members. He said all the 40 states county district commanders keep on the great mobilization and readiness in USB Army. Now the write-up goes on and on like this. Okay, and you can see here, down here, he said Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, COSDPM, Minister of Biafra, in confirmation of this picture that you're going to see. Then the guy himself decided to attach this. I mean the Mbano vlog, which is this person you are seeing here. Look at it here. Okay, this name. Okay, as you can see, he made this post on 15th of May 2025. It is here now. They designed it, which is Sonak Brawa and the group they normally do. It can't Guru has nothing to do with CS. But read the write up here. You can see Fulani Nigerian agents, bias of Biafrans. Now, this is what they attached there. Then the criminal they recruited that this guy is talking about, according to him, his own way of telling you that he's against different division or different division army or recruitment and anything at all is this. Ngozo Rabez, newly recruited armed men, I hope their weapon is against the zoo, no problem, he says. This is another person, not the Mbano. Umoma Umama said this one. Then they will tell you that Umama is working in the Umama that they are Bubago, but they are non. The Umama account here is telling you something else. Now we have talked about this video. If you are following us, this video shouldn't be a strange to you. You can see as it is as clear as there. Then look at it. The picture is still here. Now you can see it again. The picture is here, and this one said the poster said Ikemba State men don't mount almost heard the great University of Biafra, our DPM well done. So these are Biafran University of Biafran members or Biafran, genuine Biafrans, if you may choose, if I may use the word, because a lot of people have sold have heart to demons. Now, when the guy, if you remember what I just read that for you, he talked about Tipa destroying Biafran properties. Remember that, right? Okay. The destroying Biafran properties that Ngozi Rebeze is there a few weeks ago, Thursday, according to him, precisely Thursday, that we saw a video trending. He saw a video, not we, rather, saw a video trending where Biafran properties are being set ablaze and burned down and all that. To be honest with you, I don't know who is behind it. I saw the video, but the video, the one I watched, there were kind of warning about sit at home, you should sit at home. But when the video was shot, honestly, they did not state that on the video. But being that this guy, one of this band or whoever that is behind this account, is one of the Sonak Barawa students, those who have graduated from line institution, they can say anything at any given time. So this is it, right? And he attached the picture here. Let me show you. He attached this picture of burning tipper and vehicle and all that, telling you that this is Gonzo Rabeze's people shouting for sit at home on Thursday, which is not true. You understand? And if you don't believe me, let us go to his write up again so you understand what he said here. Now, read it again. Here, let's start from here. He said, did you guys remember a few days ago, Thursday, to be precise, when we all saw a video of some criminals shouting, sit at home, and burning Biafran people's business, hashtag Tipper, for a sit at home on Thursday? These are those criminals that Nkosana Beze and Iken Guruago have recruited. You get the point. Now, let us prove to him that what he just said is arrant nonsense. Okay? Now, watch this video. Watch this video. Watch. No Biafra, no peace. Release the man the Kano. Oh. Release the man the Kano. Oh. No peace in Nigeria. I don't know if you can hear what they're saying. Release the man Kano or no peace in Nigeria. No be some money to give us order. Yeah, no be some money give us order. Now, let me pause it because of the community, because of the platform, because they will come after us. Now, the Oga, who is Sonak Barawa, is the one that made the post. This video that I just showed to you now, look like this video, right? Sonak Barawa made this post. Never again, because that's why I told you that these people, they are not, they want to lie, but they are lying in a haste. They don't organize their lives very well. They don't look back when they want to lie. Now, Sonak Barawa said, meanwhile, in celebration of this video here, that one of Sonak Barawa's students is telling you that it was being organized by Nkosa Rabez and Iken Guruago. Then Sonak Barawa is here telling you something different with the same video. He said, meanwhile, so that meanwhile, Nigerian media houses has a different propaganda of Yoruba media goods. Do you understand? Nigerian houses has a different reportage, sorry, not propaganda. Meanwhile, Nigerian media houses has a different reportage of Yoruba media goods. Now, this is what I called stupidity. This video has nothing to do with Iken Guruago. This video here has nothing to do with Iken Guruago. This I don't know, but I cannot tell you that it's from USB or from Briggy or from anybody. I will not tell you exactly where it come from here. I don't know. But for this guy to sit in his own comfort zone and because he don't like the video, but he's following Brigio, but he don't like the video. And since he don't like it, the only person that can do that is Ngosa Rabeza. And you can see how he spends his time to merge Iken Guruago and COS here and target what? Fulani agent, killers of people. You get the point? This is how they roll. And I don't want to straightly go further because we are going to spend some of them, maybe I don't know if I'm going to explain it on live broadcast before you watch the video or not, but I will hopefully I want to stream live to react on with video. I'm not gonna say anything, just keep your eyes on that. Which time if we come out, if you are going, I don't know when I'm gonna watch it, but maybe this video will be scheduled to this video may come after the live stream. Okay, but I'm recording it before the live stream, or maybe it will go. But whichever way, just make sure that you like the video and keep your eyes on the channel because we'll be bringing it to you back to back. Just to not to bring anybody down. I just want my aim is to make sure that you're able to dictate lies because some of us don't understand it. The way they are telling you that everything is every bad thing is Orabes, and God of Fulani, whereas they are the one they go back. If you know, you know. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would like to hear from you. Keep the comment coming and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. God bless you and bye bye for now.